everyone, welcome back to my channel Lively Sahana. How are you all? Hope you all doing good. Today I will show you magic in my nails. When I was in India, I used to pamper my nails at least once in a 3 months. After I started living in Copenhagen, I have tried many nail arting many times, many places in Copenhagen, but I was not satisfied until I visit this shop. I think it's before lockdown. Honestly, I was literally waiting for the shop to be reopened to happy my nails with the new designs. And yes, finally we are here. Let's get in.
Hello, hi. Do you have a corona negative report?
Yes.
Thank you. Perfect, thank you. Please wash your hands.
Yeah,
There's a
thank
cup.
you.
Thank you.
I had a very bad experience regarding hygiene, but here no need to worry at all because they have really maintained very well and you will definitely feel good. She is Mayo, the famous nail artist. She is also a super talented, skillful and really sweet. She have been here from past 8 years. And first I opted for pedicure.
Thank you. Would you like to drink tea or coffee? No, thanks. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. This one? One second.
I thought it was a normal chair, but what I experienced was completely different.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, it's a massage chair. Oh my god, I was so relaxed and was thinking to spend whole day in this massage chair. And I was very glad that she even offered a coffee and tea, and it was too good. Firstly, she is removing existing nail polish from the toe nails. She opened the sterilized pedicure kit and take nail cutter and remove nails as required. And those pedicure tools she is using, and every time it will be sterilized and no need to worry about hygiene and bacteria.
Please look our hand.
Oh, yes, nice. Can you suggest me which one is good for my
I
nails?
think, what about this color?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is nice.
Yeah.
For your skin, I think it's really good match.
So many colors, and we'll go for something new and hope my nails will be happy today. Yes. Today we'll go with the Shendy Shalak. It's a garnet glamour. Let's try this. C&D Shellac offers a large range of beautiful colors. The nail polish is thin and applies well. Once cured, the finish is very shiny. This is an excellent nail polish and is very long lasting. She have a great selection of C&D Shellac colors. Yes, check out my new nails. I'm super happy with them. and it looks so perfect and elegant. And now it's time for a manicure. She trims my nails, and whenever I have a short nails, I usually opt for oval shape because it makes my fingers look longer and slimmer. That's what she is doing here. As I said before, Mayo Nail Studio is not just a nail shop. It is a studio, a place where art takes roots. She will make you feel relaxed and comfortable with an efficient service while using the best caring products. Now Maya has used on to cuticles work. She is pushing back my cuticles and just removing any dead skin on my nail band, and then she goes in with the any nippers to remove them. And once my nails are clean, we are ready to move on to designs. Every time I go get my nails done, I usually have a design in my mind, and this time it's her choice to make it look simple and elegant.
Thank you. You are exposing.
And for my nails, CND select these two colors. She painted a peach color on all the fingers and nude color on ring finger, and pop one crystal on top. The crystal has stuck on with like a nail glue. She applied some cuticle oils to nourish my skin. This is totally magnificent. So what I observed is I could see the instant glow on my feet and my hands. So this is what my nails look like, and I'm very happy with the design. I think she done a really good job. I have never seen such a dedicated beautician even at higher end parlor. These are all her nail designs. Those who are in Copenhagen, you guys have definitely visit Mayo shop and try these out. I'll be returning as often as my wallet will allow me. You can also contact her through Instagram. I have mentioned the link, cost of this design and address of this shop in description box. Please go check in and get happy nails like me. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, please hit like button, comment your opinion and don't forget to subscribe.
Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.